What's up, guys? So cool little announcement on the custom 4-gear cars that we make. Hopefully you guys can see that. But a lot of times we'll take these guys, and you can see here we have a stock one, and here we have a modified version. So we take these, we do front end on them, pick up shoes, spring adjustment, brush spring adjustment, brush adjustment, rear tires, rear rims. We oil them, and now they all come with a high output 5.5 ohm armature, which just destroys the stock one. So let's see if there's anyone on here right now. But what we're going to do is the green one has been modded. This one is stock out of the package. And so we're going to do a quick little track comparison so that you guys can see the speed difference between the two. So we'll put the green one in the left lane, and hopefully you guys can see that down here. I'll come down and see what it looks like. All right, so completely smoked it, which is what you're supposed to do in drag racing. So we have an 812 at 40.6 miles an hour for the modded version, and a 1.378 at 20 miles an hour for this version. So huge difference, not quite twice as fast, but remember too, this is only going 15.5 feet, and we're talking 7/10 or more faster out of the modded version. You can see nice pickup shoe line on those, so really nice tune up, nice setup on there, and just a little added value. We haven't changed the price on the upgraded version, so anything that we build from today forward for the custom drag cars is going to come equipped with the 5.5 ohm armature at no extra cost. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Just a quick update on our SCDRL stuff. So SCDRL, we have a race on the 22nd. I believe next week is going to be the deadline. So if you want to get in on the action, or if you want to buy a car off the website, have it stay here and be entered in the race, just select will call at checkout. Make sure to add your new vehicle entry. You can get it on the action. John told me yesterday we have over 200 entries already, so it's definitely our biggest race so far. Have killer sponsor prizes from all over the place, and a lot of really cool cars. It doesn't matter how fast it is. It doesn't matter how slow it is. We have classes for everybody. If you're unsure about your class, go ahead and sign up for Top Eliminator or Pro Index. Send your cars out. We'll run them for you if you want us to test run them and let you know, and we can make adjustments if we need them. But the point of this video was to just showcase the fact that the Viper built custom drag cars now come with a 5.5 ohm high output arm. Smokes the heck out of the stock one at no extra cost. So hopefully you guys enjoy that value and enjoy the extra speed, and we'll see you on the next one.